on the training ground monitoring and reports throughout Adakwacha Aje for this particular week, Kumasi Asante Kotoko probable lineup Yensaka and Yedi Asia Ufiano. Now, according to the information gathered, based on data, Coach Abdul Karim Zitu ebeye two changes with the last game our boy against Baby Go Stars, our boys ne ball pano. Based on information I mean Saka no Hana Chese. He's making two changes to the starting 11 starting against Go Stars game. Referee Julian Nunu Mensa error big Kumasi Asante Kotoko for victory. So game the public relations officer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Safuduku Esquire. Your poor game also all my players no 5,000 Ghana cedis so omonche na omonfencho wenum spilele because ball pa na referee no e the robu Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The probable lineup Kotoko ede shase against Baseke Holy Stars no e wa ha me de Asia enne e wo Babara Sports Stadium no miensa e pa mu a na game no e shase. Stay with me, more probable no e wa ha me de Asia e wo fia. Ghana Premier League no yewra match day 20 no man no na yeko na sese amene o kasa no a crowd of folk and run or chi team my friend 11 wonders e share back ku mienu miensa has tene o mu na man kasa hu bi say ache se has of folk a share 3 dia na chese ne o se Kotoko 6 Baseke Holy Stars for no e share Kotoko in the first leg. That was Kumasi Asante Kotoko. If my memory serves me right, that should be the first defeat for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the Premier League. And also, now, weekend games can cry. Oh, my man, farmer, we are not a Kotoko starting 11 ever soon. Dreams FC, any young apostle, the already cardboard, and a house of focus, so any 11 wonders game, no, on my boy, a year free where we are has shared 3. And then, no miensa a crop ya Asante Kotoko metema ukuma pema pembe ba isa abutu yemfa nkutwa lutu da ya de Baseke Holy Stars na epem so ewo the Babara Sports Stadium ho na game no it is expected Asante Kotoko be 5. Yes, Swedru All Blacks any aduana na ebo nti Swedru game we Kotoko you interest akra because the soro na hyehyɛ no team o tata ho no mmompa ese team no be den obewi ni sa nti aduana nkobo draw bia na say aduana lose na Kotoko enko na nimo ho. Yes, and a league leaders media ma ebetena fie ne Karela abo edin se Karela bekwa akɔhye edin se Karela bekwa akɔhye no pɛ de eba akɔpɛ but ye be hopi ne abom pai say Karela United ebetima akɔyi nkunya na cheze media ma points gaba we biem te se Hane Tamale no ya close ne kakra. Yes, media man nikwaze media man win this game. Baseke United and the Lions and the bebo. Yes, Heart of Lions. Ko Bechem na on the Lions akobo. Hoho United and the Vision FC so and the yam so. Hoho Stadium ho. Hoho United and the Vision and the yam so. Ho. Afi FC Samates and the Nations FC. Nations FC beko Samurai Boy. Na on the FC Samates and so and the akopem so. And the final game at that list and also no a Brekum Chelsea any baby any Go Stars for now. I don't know referee we more this time I'm more away. I'm only Brekum Chelsea and couple. Your mom pie say Brekum Chelsea bet you my show mobile 5 crack now omonso who say see we mawa and yet be any baby mama in see side game no your interest or that particular game and also any day. I'm part of a journey Kotoko reaction. Also Oliver Mo any abrepa tuja ho Oliver Mo mala masada mo enyina no tuja ewo ho pa but join 0247 107260 0247 107260 ewe ya Costa Rica ene na yakọ crop ya Asante Kotoko metema Kotoko last game our boy no was against team my friend baby any Go Stars. Na lineup a Kotoko Karim Zito de Shasi ni we are na the ene lineup na ma obeka ya Kamara ne da pool no sada no na obo Lord Amon the 2 and obo Joseph Amon the 3 and obo Henry Ansu and Samba Onel as 4 and 5 and obo Prince Bedu just in front of them and Obo Saka Dauda on the right of the wing, and Obo Peter Midwaka on the left wing, and interior midfield offensive one Obo Huberjo, and Obo the new player Dugu Yakubu, and Obo Donzo as the two strikers, and only starting 11 Asante Kotoko at the starting against Peviani Gustas. Kotoko ball pam. The mum no referee no. EVM itia Asante Kotoko ukuma pema pemeba isamoto yemfa nkotwa lotoda. Na ena me no ka say no. Kotoko a new player Albert Amoa. And Albert Amoa ye training in the course of the week. Sa ene game no one starter be yem gwanwa. Inti ye lineup aye no. Ono no abeka the changer ebeba mu no ho. The change ebebe mu no no be start obe bench Donzo based on report Isaac and say coach no ebebo senior me amakoda ya dogu ni nimbo nti based on one another report am here say coach Abdulkarim Zito odwen ho say obe take hard decision nti dogo no enimu ho no ebekọ akoye dogo ene abetamu a na chese sai ba ko abam na this time around number 3 ho no so I think that Patrick Asiedu fully fit. The information I make and say on also best start say no about the 3 and no any difference be with the other one lineup. Nti mesade ene de ene ma ene de ene say ne be Mohamed Kamara in the goal post. On the 2 ubenya Lord Amwa. On the 3 ubenya Patrick Asiedu. 4 and 5 ubenya Samba Onel and then Henry Ansu. Just in front of them our midfield no ubenya Prince Badu na afi no on the right side of the wing the right wing hono when ya Saka Dauda. Now on the left wing, or when you Peter Midwaka, Nafi. Interior offensive midfielders, when you Hubert Joe, now for the two strikers, no. Why no? Albert Amoa, any Dugu Yakubu, and one no. But I'm getting information, so one sha, we asterisk, one ha, the coach may have opted for player with free injury by your friend to save. Philip Amorada, Philip Amo ko surprisingly starts, and also the backup information and open meeting kono ya de mame. So it is left between the coach say the obey no side right wing kono and no the bibia bit Messi at the last minute and no crano one say while in the name of saying the grass ho and a Philip Amo no esa ho and a Saka Dauda ho, and I'm told say obey me you should any of them to start this particular game. So this is the Kumasa Sante Kotoko lineup. Yeah, I intercept here. It is expected to say Enuna Kotoko. And the Yam so Ashe Baseke All Stars by 5 and the area or Baba Era Sports Stadium.